So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and here I am back with another video about the GenAI exchange program. So as you all are knowing that the GenAI exchange program is organized by Google partners, where you will learn about GenAI and its applications with doing hands-on labs. So basically, if you don't know what is GenAI program and how to register it, do check out this video. I will share the link in the description. Now in this video, we will cover the topic that is basically the syllabus, which means what we have to do in this program, how many skill badges and courses we have to complete. So first of all, once you have registered, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Here you can see that here are 5 courses: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So basically you have to complete these courses. But how to uh, view these courses? Just click on this arrow icon. Now click on this. Make sure you are signed in to your Google Cloud Skills Boost account. So you will be redirected to this, and by selecting any of these or all courses, like if you want to complete this course, so just click on this, you'll be redirected here. Just click on start lab and start doing lab. But some of you don't know how to perform lab. Don't worry, I have a way. Here you can see I have shared that complete guide, how to start the lab, how to complete, how to check my progress, means how you can check the score and complete the lab. So here are the playlists for all the courses. Some of the videos will be live as the video is being recorded today only. So video will be live today itself. Don't worry for that, and you can complete this. And after that, you have to submit. Don't worry, I will create a tutorial for submission also. So once you are ready, do let me know in the comment section whether you have subscribed to the channel or not. Apart from these, whether you have registered or not. So for registration, as I told, you have to watch this video and follow each step by step. And now for badges, I have shared the learning resources in the description. Do check it out. Also, as a part of this program, you will be getting cool swags. So don't worry. Also, this knowledge will help you a lot in long run. So do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.